Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you kids' favorite banana muffins recipe. Let's get started. First, we will prepare the dry ingredients for the batter. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, add half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix, and in a separate bowl, add 2 large ripe bananas. It is necessary that we use ripe bananas because they make the flavors come out of the muffins. Mash the bananas to make it into a paste and add 1/3 cup of unsalted melted butter, half cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix it all together and add the prepared dry ingredients that we had prepared before. Now give all of this a quick, nice mix. Take chocolate of your choice. We're using Snickers over here. You can use any chocolate chips, or anything you want to. This part is optional, but it is ideal to have. Add it to our batter and then give it a really nice mix. Finally, take a scoop at a time, fill the cupcake sheets with this batter, and then preheat the oven at 375°F. Bake it for 5 minutes, then lower the temperature to 350°F and bake it for 20 minutes, or bake it until the top of the muffins become golden brown. A good way to find out if it is ready: insert a toothpick in the muffin, and if it comes out with a piece of a or part of a muffin, then it is not ready. If it comes out cleanly, it is ready. Delicious banana muffins are ready to be eaten and enjoyed by your young ones and your older ones. Give this recipe a go. We will be coming up with more twisty, sweet recipes that you can try for your winter, for your vacation, which will be a kid's favorite. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do so and hit the bell icon to receive our new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Thank you and goodbye.